キアラの母国語がドイツ語だと知ったコボは
I'm sorry for my broken English.
No, it's fine. We completely communicated fine, I think. Completely, perfectly fine. Everything was fine. I understood you.
Nice.
And as you know, as you know, my English is not the best either. Because my first language is German. Did you know?
Ah, German.
Yes,
nice.
German. Deutsch.
Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup.
No, that's French.
That's French.
German Dankeschön is...
I'm sorry.
German merci beaucoup is Dankeschön. Dankeschön. Say Dankeschön. Dankeschön. Dankeschön.
Oh my god.
Don't jump down.
Shame on myself. Shame on me.
It's okay. You were, you know, sometimes you make mistakes like that. I make some mistakes like that too. Sometimes.
フランス語を披露した